This is Kevin. He is a technician in the Birmingham area, and he uses one of our new Max Flashes. And Kevin has taken the time to tell us a little bit about one of his experience using the Flash. So Kevin, if you don't mind letting us know.
It's actually a pretty simple tool. It comes with plenty of cables, so I mean you can work on multiple bays with it. We got our router right here with it plugged straight to the router. Plug it to the box, plug it to the vehicle, turn the key on. The only thing you really have to do is have some source of internet where you can, what you gotta do is put the vehicle VIN number in and request service, and 10 or 15 minutes somebody will call you and ask you what you're programming, whether it's a ECM, BCM, any type of module. And what they'll want to do is make sure you got it plugged up, some type of power source on it, and then tell them what you're going to program, and then you basically hang up the phone and you can continue doing what else you're doing. What I've experienced is 30-45 minutes they'll call you back with the system updated or programmed. We did have one we had an issue with. There was a lot of ground issues, broken wires. The person I was talking to at the time actually went through and told me where to check the wires, where to check the grounds, and it was about a 4-hour process. He stayed with me back and forth calling, but once he got me through all that, we was able to get it programmed. But like I say, I mean, we've done a transmission with it. Matter of fact, it doesn't matter whether you buy GM trans, Ford trans, Jasper trans. You just plug it up to the vehicle, tell them what you're going to get programmed, and when they call you back and ask you what it is, it's pretty much a done deal. Like I say, the whole process for us has taken about an hour from the initial setup to completely done, unless you run into an issue, and they've been willing to work with us every time we've had an issue out of one.
Well, Kevin, we appreciate you taking your time to talk to us. Appreciate your business.
All right, thank you.